Hello, my name is Heli and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well today. I'm going to show you my new bag from Michael Kors and here it is. I will put the name down below. So here is the front. It says in golden letters Michael Kors. At the back there is one small pocket. And I love the strap that has this gold detail. I wanted this kind of bag that has this kind of strap, so I'm very happy with this one. You can adjust this strap if you want to. And it opens up like so. And here is the bag itself. It has one zipper pocket on the other side. And one open pocket on the other side. And here I can fit, if I want to, a large wallet, but it's a little bit difficult to get it in and out. So I would use smaller wallet with this one. And also my phone will fit, my car keys, lipstick, and everything you would need on the night out. So I love this bag and I got it from Nelly's and there was a 100 euros discount, so I had to take it. I will show you one more time and then I will show you how it looks on me. And also the shoulder. So I think this bag is very good size. It's not too big, not too small, and it fits everything I would need. And I will be doing soon makeup haul video, so if you are interested from that, welcome to see that video, and I wish you have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.